We are Aussie pilots and no one quits.
But let's say it's right here. Radio's down. That's the lowest altitude hover. So let me know after watching this flight in your comments. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Greetings, alishanmao here. Welcome to my yard, and let's fly the Falcon X450 in a camo fuselage. Here we go. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. MashaAllah, beautiful. Now, see what we have been talking about. I know a lot of people, including myself, if the background is green and white, this will blend. This will surely blend, you know, and difficult to see. But so far, MashaAllah, looks really nice. So, the red one versus the camo. Which one do I like? Well, I would say red one is obviously too tutti frutti and easy to see, but camo has its own presence. I mean, look at that, right? MashaAllah. Camo has its own presence. So let me get close to see and appreciate this beauty in the sky. I just saw a glue string. All right, let's see how it flies in Donald Trump mode. That is attitude flight mode. Beautiful, man. Actually speaking, compared to the red one, this one does have its real nice presence. And wait a minute, I completely forgot that I have a control over turret. Look at that. Beautiful. I go left, turret focuses on me. I go right. Man, if it had the AI tracking and keeping the nose turret on you, that will be scary, right? Sweet. FW450 V3 is a beautiful helicopter to fly. I mean, its flight performance is absolutely unmatched when it comes to loyal puppy helicopters. I mean, helicopters equipped with GPS, you know, GPS system H1. And when you put it in fuselage like this, you have something that you can have fun, double the fun, triple the fun, and that have that double, triple fun flying these scale beauties just like this. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. So let me know after watching this flight in your comments, which one do you prefer? Which one do you like? The red color scheme or this camo color scheme? Man, I'm getting dizzy. I'm about to fall. Woo! Dizzy pilot, huh? But let's say it's right here. Radio's down. That's the lowest altitude hover. Beautiful, mashallah. Look at that. Nice, mashallah. Very nice, man. So, before landing, let's go around a bit. One spin. Beautiful stance. Make your way towards the landing pad. And touchdown. MashaAllah. Falcon X450 with FW450 V3, people. Now this right here is a face of a very happy RC helicopter pilot. We are RC helicopter pilot and no one quits. Prepare it the way you want and have fun flying a gunship in your hands.
Crash, rebuild, bounce back, that's what I do. Crash, rebuild, bounce back quick. We in the dirty south, ain't no one slick.